Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock nothing funny forgot password. So as you can see, enter your password, and if we right click over there, as you can see, wrong password. As you can see, wrong password entered. Okay, so how to unlock it? Okay, to unlock it, first press the volume and power button together. Now tap to power it off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And now release. And guys, you can see volume key is to move up and down, and the volume down key, sorry, this is the volume up key is to move up and down, and volume down key is to confirm. So now here, use the volume up key to go in recovery mode, and now press the volume down key. Okay, now the recovery mode is selected. So you can see no command. Now press the power and volume up key to go in Android recovery mode. Now here volume key is to move up and down, and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset. You can see here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And guys, read it carefully. You can see wipe all user data. This will wipe your all user data, and this cannot be undone. Now go to factory data reset and confirm. And you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to unlock nothing phone if forgot password. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.